Okay, here we have Cameron, and she's going to show one of her wonderful talents of burping her ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, L, W, X, Y, Z.
How do you feel about that?
Tired.
Take a bow.